over the film was what DC villain would be big enough to force David Corenswet's Man of Steel and Nicholas Holt's Lex Luthor to set aside their differences and work together for the greater good of humanity. There were plenty of theories, and many have now been confirmed with the report that Brainiac is Man of Tomorrow's villain. The news comes prior for suggestions on who Man of Tomorrow should cast as Brainiac. Anyone must be comfortable with heavy makeup prosthetics to transform into the physical. Yes, Chukwudi Iwuji has already been part of the DC universe through his role as Clemson Mern in Peacemaker Season 1. And while most of those events are canon to this franchise, Gunn has already proven that he's not afraid to use actors multiple times in different roles. See Michael Rooker's many DC roles. Iwuji has already played a Brainiac type. If Gunn wants to give someone he said is one of the best actors he's ever worked with a bigger spot, this could be a great fit. For his part, Iwuji has already expressed interest in the role too. He's actors Gunn is already quite familiar with. Enter Lee Pace. He's already played a power-hungry, brightly colored alien villain for the director in Guardians of the Galaxy as Ronan the Accuser. Yet, he's gone on to do even better work with Apple TV's hit sci-fi series Foundation, playing a menacing yet entertainingly wicked foe. The gravitas naturally tower over Corenswet and Holt's characters admittedly. Casting Michael Fassbender as a super intelligent android is pretty on the nose. He's already done this with Prometheus and Alien Covenant, but he was amazing in both. Founder in Steve Jobs. Fassbender has also already played a comic book supervillain with his standout turns as Magneto for Fox's X-Men prequels. There's no reason to think he wouldn't crush it as Brainiac. It's a conventional choice, but that doesn't make him any less fit if Man of Tomorrow comes calling. Give me some ideas related to my video in comments below if you like this video, and subs for